So you have a motorcycle with no motorcycle license plate light. What is a good budget solution in order to fix that problem? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a $14 universal license plate light that is low profile, good quality, easy to install, and will make your license plate light shine. What's going on, guys? This is your boy gdwarrior. Today we'll be reviewing a universal license plate light from TST Industries. At any point in this video you can also check out the description. There is TST Industries YouTube link. This is the manufacturer of this universal license plate light. Comment below and consider subscribing if you love this video. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be reviewing my universal license plate light from TST Industries. I'm gonna go over all the features with you, and I'm going to show you how it looks like installed on my bike. Every bike is different, so it might the installation on my bike might be a little bit different than on your Kawasaki, Ducati, Honda, whatever it is. So I'm going to show you how it looks like installed at the end. But first of all, I want to say that license plate lights are extremely important, and they make your motorcycle actually street legal. I don't know how it is in your state, but in Florida, if you ride around without a license plate light, you get a ticket. All right, most of the license plate lights, they're extremely bulky. Some of them are extremely fancy. That's what makes them super expensive. This one is simple. It's still good quality. You know, it will light up your license plate light, and I'm gonna show you how. Let's go over the features. It's a universal license plate light. How you actually install it is you sandwich it between the license plate light and the license plate frame. It's got an adhesive strip. So once you peel it off and you sandwich it between those, this thing will not move. It's not gonna move left and right, up and down, and it will also keep a very nice low profile. That's why I bought it, because it's nice and smooth, clean. You know how my bike looks like. It's a custom bike, you know. I don't want any bulky, fancy, schmancy stuff on there. Also, it comes with 4 LED lights. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. So these are not as close together as you can see. They are actually fairly, you know, spaced out between each other. So you will have a nice pattern on your license plate light. It also comes with reusable posy tap connectors. They require no special tool to connect or disconnect. So basically you unscrew them here, unscrew them on the other side, and install it on your bike. Like I said, it's a low profile enclosure. It almost disappears when you mount it. See? It's only this little part will be sticking out, just this one. So there will be virtually, if you look from far away, you won't even see the license plate light. From what I just see by looking at it, it's gonna be a super easy and quick installation. It's not gonna take hours or so. You know, I had a few license plate light bolts, like from AutoZone and you know, Advanced Auto Parts, and they were so complicated to install. Oh my God! I mean, I'm telling you, this one looks very easy to install. The wire length right here is 38 inches. For my metric guys up there, it's around 96 to 96.5 centimeters. And even though this is plastic, it's very sturdy, like I cannot bend it, I cannot do anything with it. You know, so it's pretty high quality plastic, I would say. You know, very surprised, and probably that's why the cost is so low. I paid $14 for this thing. 14 bucks, that's nothing. You know, if I would go to eBay or any Amazon and look for a universal license plate light, they're like 50, 60, 70 bucks. $100, dude, for a license plate light, only because, you know, it has an American brand on there or something. Nah, you know, for what? Oh, by the way, TST, thank you so much for the thank you card. And I can't wait for my 10% off. Yeah. All right, guys, let's see how it looks like installed on the bike. I see you guys in a minute. All right, after removing the first 2 bolts of the license plate light, one is right here, The other one is right there. You want to clean the back of your license plate and the back of your license plate bracket. So let's do this first, and we will install the universal license plate light after that. Alright, like previously said, the universal license plate light will be sandwiched between license plate and the license plate bracket. Let's peel off that little adhesive strip and attach it to the license plate. Alright, we have our universal mount glued basically to the license plate. Let's attach the license plate with the license plate frame on the license plate bracket. Alright, and here's how it looks like installed. See, it's very low profile. Here is the universal light, and then right here is already the license plate. You have to figure out your own routing and wiring. Like I routed it this way behind the bracket, squeezed it behind this bracket right here, this way in the back, up the frame, and then underneath my mess over there. Alright, let's turn this baby on. Alright guys, that's how it looks like installed. I'm very happy with the result. You can find TST Industries down in the description. I can only recommend this little piece, and if you like what you saw, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and comment below how you like that universal license plate light. It's your boy gdwarrior. Stay tuned.